Hey guys, it's Andy. How you doing out there in video land? Right, today we're going to be doing Shallow. I watched the film with my daughter and cried her eyes out, and it's become our song now. So Olivia, this one's for you. You are Lady Gaga and I'm Bradley Cooper. Right, so a couple of caveats. I'm just going to do a very sort of not simplified version but consistent version that you can use over both verses. Because the way the guitarist plays it changes slightly, and also put your picks down and put it on the side of the table, because we don't need them today, because we are purely finger picking. Okay, if you heard a noise, I'm in the garage and it's my heating system, and it's winter out here in Denmark, so it's very, very cold. Anyway, so E minor chord, and what we're doing is we're going to be playing. If you place your thumb on the E string, and if you place your second finger on the D, then following it all down, that's how I finger pick. This isn't like, this is just my way of finger picking, okay? Not anybody else's. So I've got my thumb covering the E and A strings, and I've got my fingers. See, I can cover all 6 strings, so that's pretty much how I do that stuff. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing here. So we start off with the E string, and we're going to play E, D, G, and then use your little finger to play the E string. So then we play a D over G flat. Now I'm playing it just because it feels okay to me. If you can see that, little finger on the B string on the D, on the 3, and my second finger on 2 on the G, and my thumb. This is what we call a slash chord. So we've got a D triad, D5 actually, and then a G flat in the bass. It's a good walking between chord. So it's E minor, D over G flat. Now when you play this G, I'm not putting that little finger on the bottom there, on the E, I'm leaving it on the B. There's a good reason for that, because I don't want to play that E string, and also it's a nice positional way of playing it, and also I need to play that D. Can you hear that? So just practice that, guys. Then we come in with the verse. Same pattern again. Tell me something, boy. Keep your little finger down, because we're going to be playing C add 9 now. And if you can see what I'm doing, I'm playing all of the strings from the A string and down. And then I'm playing the B and the G again. Then we play the proper G, alternative version, okay, to the D. Now, nice little figure on the D. You want to take your second finger off here, and then play, after you've played the D chord, almost slap. Can you see what I'm doing there? I just... Doesn't sound too good because my frets are worn out. So, and then you play the B on the B on 3. So let me just play that for you. Tell me something, boy. Is there something I don't know? And it continues again, same thing again. All that you need more. Is there something else you're searching for? Then we go to the I'm falling. Same again. In all the good times I find myself for change. Okay, so then that carries on. We do another verse. Sorry, I was singing the Lady Gaga part. I don't know why, probably because I've been singing it with my daughter. Then we go into the chorus part. So I'm on the outside, A minor, D. Now you can actually strum this part, but you know, once you put the pick to the side, just use your fingers, guys. Trust me, it's easier. You'll be faffing about looking for your pick. So A minor, I'm on the inside, D with a G flat in the bass, G, I've never been, D again with the G flat in the bass, E minor, brown, A minor, she's moved on in, D with G flat in the bass, we're far from the G, D, G, D. Then we go into the very, very, very emotional part here. B minor. Oh, and you want to be. And I'm just using my fingers here, guys. And actually gives a nice little, sort of almost flamenco-y sound. Yeah? So, but so B minor, oh, D, oh, A, oh, E minor, oh. I'm on the outside, watch as I'm climbing, D, underneath the ground. Anyway. That's the bones of it, okay? That should be giving you more than enough to get to playing it, okay? So, you know, I'll be interested. If you learn how to play it, why don't you pop me a little video, send me it, email it to me. You can send it in infoguitarworks@gmail.com, and look out for my next video, probably coming out tomorrow, which will be the K-Line Englishman distortion pedal. Great new pedal that's out. It gives my Plexitone a run for its money, let me tell you that much. So listen, until then, take care. Love you guys. Thanks so much. Big announcement, actually. We've passed 1,000 subscribers, so I'm absolutely thrilled. So thank you everybody that subscribed recently. But you know what? Thank you to my first subscriber. I'm really going to be pushing this channel. I want you to share the bejesus out of this channel. I want to really give you quality content. I'll do as much as I can. I'm not one of these big YouTube guys. You know, I don't get gear being given to me, although the K-Line guys have sent me some stuff through to review. I don't know if they want it back yet, we'll have to see, but they were very kind enough to do that. So, you know, we're picking up some momentum now, guys. But listen, take care, have a great day, see you very soon, bye.